Hey children, so are you ready to have some number fun with me today? Let's check out the learning objectives and the resources we need for the activity. The learning objectives are to orally recite numbers 1 to 20, to introduce the number 5, to develop association of number and the number value, and to enhance numeracy skills. The resources that we need for the activity are number flashcard and number puppet. Children, we already have learned numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? Today we are going to have a quick recap of all these 4 numbers and then I will introduce you to a new number 5. But first, let's begin our session by counting numbers 1 to 20. Children, we have done the rote counting of numbers 1 to 20 before so many times. So would you like to join with me today? Let's do it together. So are you ready? Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job, children. So, just now we had the oral recitation of our numbers 1 to 20. Now, let's have a quick recap of numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. Children, I have the flashcards of all these numbers over here for you. So, let's start the recap. The first flashcard is, can you identify the number, children? That is, yes, it is number 1. So, in the first flashcard, we have number 1 and can you tell me how many cars we have? That's right, we have 1 car. So, number 1 and 1 car. And this is number 1. Puppet. And what is its name? Mr. 1. So, we have our friend Mr. 1 and number 1 with 1 car. Next is, yes, it is number 2. That's right. So, number 2 and can you count the number of cats? 1 and 2. 2 cats. And what is the friend of number 2? It is Miss 2. So, the number puppet is called as number 2's number puppet is called as Miss 2. And the number is number 2 with 2 cats. Very good. Now the next number is number 3. That's right. And The objects associated with number 3 are 1, 2 and 3. 3 ships. Right? We have 3 ships. And who is the friend of number 3? The number puppet's name is Mr. 3. The next flashcard is of number 4. And can you count the number of objects associated with number 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 kites. And what is the name of the number puppet? It is Mr. 4. So, we will quickly repeat again. Mr. 1 with number 1 and 1 car. Miss 2 with number 2 and 2 cats. Mr. 3 with number 3 and 3 ships. Next is Mr. 4 and number 4 with 4 kites. Very good, children. And now, do you know? You have a friend who has come to meet you today. Do you want to look at the friend of yours? Introduction to number 5. Yay! Hi, new friend. What is your name? My name is Miss 5. Oh, children. So this is your new friend and its name is Miss 5. And now I have this flashcard for you over here. We are going to learn about the number and the objects associated with this number which are there on the flashcard. So children, this is number 5. Number 5 comes after number 4. We learned number 1, 2, 3 and 4 before, right? And we had the recap also of these numbers. So number 5 comes after number 4. So how are we going to say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there is number 5 on the flashcard, right? And can you identify the picture here, children? It is a... Okay, how about I do an sound of that animal and then you tell me what it is. Do you want to guess? Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Yes, it is a duck. Very good. So, now can you count how many ducks we have? One, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have number 5 and 5 ducks. Alright, number 5 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 ducks. And now I have the friends of number 5. That is the objects which are 5 in number. So the first picture is of 5 crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 crayons. The next picture is of 5 Lego blocks. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 Lego blocks. The next picture is of 5 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pencils. Next we have 5 books. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 books. Next is it Annie apple, children? Annie apple? It looks like Annie apple, right? So how many apples do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 apples. And do you see one more picture over here, children? These are what? These are our fingers. The fingers on our hand. So, let's count how many fingers are there. 1. Then it's the picture of 2 fingers. Then next is 3 fingers. Next is 4 fingers. And finally we have 5 fingers in all. So we have, can you count on your hand? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 fingers in one hand. And similarly, let's count the second hand. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 fingers in the another hand. So now we have 2 hands with 5 fingers in one hand, 5 fingers in another hand. Is it not interesting, children? So I hope you understood the introduction of number 5. Now just go through the video and presentation one more time to understand number 5 one more time. Do the activity. Try to find out more objects in total of number 5. Alright? Click pictures and share with us. Happy learning. Thank you.